Hello, in this video I'm going to show you a little tip that might improve your baking. If you are especially working with very low resolutions, you might get some issues based on how you make your UV map. Okay, so here I have two cubes, which are the same mesh and the same seams for the unwrap. The only difference is that the islands of one of the cubes are straight. And by that I mean that they are not rotated like this, but they are, like 90 degrees and so on. And we have the other cube, which has rotated islands. I imported this inside of Marmoset to do a bake. I have here the cube with the good UV islands and the ones with the rotated islands. For this example, I'm going to use a very low resolution, which is going to make it clear what the issue is. And I'm just going to click bake. Okay, I'm going to preview. And right now we are previewing the cube with the proper islands. Of course, it's a little bit pixelated because it's a very low resolution, and I also have the filter off. Okay, but this is what it will look, and it looks pretty okay. But now if we compare it to the wrong cube, we are going to see that we have some artifacts here along the lines, and what you can see clearly like that. Let me also disable this. Okay, and this will bring a lot of issues when I start baking the other maps, like the curvature and the ambient occlusion and so on. So yes, basically the tip is to try to orient your faces on the islands, not the faces, but the islands of the views, so they are straight or in 90 degrees and so on angles. Now, to quickly fix this issue, we can use a free Blender add-on. You will have the link in the description. This one is called Text Tools. You just go to Releases, the latest one. You go down and download the zip. After that, you will just go to Preferences, Add-ons, Install from Disk, and in here you will just select the file. And then in the end panel of the UV editor, you will have this new tab, Text Tools. First thing is we are going to add some texture, so we should select the object and checker map, and this is just going to help you see the UVs. You can click multiple times to toggle between different textures. For this case, I'm going to use these ones that shows you the direction of the UVs. Alright, so as you can see, I have these islands that are rotated. I can choose select an edge and align edge. I can now select this, Shift R, and it's going to align the edges. If you have sync enabled, you might need to disable it before you can run this option. After that, you can select these UVs and you can rotate them, so the arrows are going on the long direction of the island, and that should be fine. And now you can quickly export this, and you shouldn't have any baking issues. So I hope you found that useful. It might help you in your future projects. If you want to see more content like this, feel free to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks. If you want to support the channel while improving your 3D workflow, you can get my latest Blender add-on Lucero, which will help you to light, composite, and render your scenes quickly. Check the link in the description for an exclusive 20% discount. If you want to learn something new, feel free to check my courses. I have courses to help you become a great pixel artist or to teach you how to make stylized game textures for your models. Check the links in the description for an exclusive discount.